Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Dr. Bear Show. And today we will unbox, review, and then also not a Gunpla but another Beyblade right here. And yeah, this Beyblade is also a bootleg or a fake one. So it's a fake Beyblade Metal Fusion Metal Fight kind of Beyblade, and this is your Big Bang Pegasus FD, which I have unboxed and review already. But this is a little bit different because as you can see here, there is something two here. This is Japanese or Chinese, I don't know because it's fake. But this part right here, it has two. This one doesn't have it, that number two, and yeah, they're all on the same I think it's the same. I think it's just a variation because this one has the I will get no, we will have it when we open this one. Okay, so just the box first, we will just compare the boxes. I think they have the same parts, I think. Yeah. Without further ado, let's go. Let's open this one with this cutter. Let's go. Okay, so here it is, and yeah, so let me get the other one. Okay, we have here the fully assembled Big Bang Pegasus. So we'll put it here, and we will let's build this Beyblade. Yeah, so we'll get it on the pack, on the plastic. This is a fake one, okay, so don't ever wow, there's something over plastic here. I think I can cut it. See if I can. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So yeah, it's a bootleg, and as you can see, the winder, the ripper right here is so okay, man. It's been bent, very bent. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, let's try its winder. EK. Okay, yeah. That's how the winder. But yeah, we will see that on the stadium later. So another plastic right here, which will open, and yeah, it has also the stickers. I think I will not use the stickers because we already have that paint job, and it's very nice, man. That's nice. They have already the paint job on the something screw of the screw, or the bit or bit beast of the Pegasus. So it's the same. As you can see, they have the same parts. They have the same extra parts also of the Big Bang Pegasus right here. So it still have those metal part, yeah, on the bottom. So it's called bottom. So yeah, same. As you can see here, it will also move this part right here. If it's spinning, it is very fast. It will have that tip, and then if goes slower, it will retract inside, and it will have a very aggressive move of our Pegasus. So now let's build the Pegasus, and yeah, they have the same. As I can see, they have the same parts. Yeah. Yep, the same. Very same. Yeah. Yeah, same. Okay. Oops. Okay, so let me put this part right here because this is also the wings. Well, it's metal. So I think we will have a fight with the other Beyblade Metal Fusion. The paint right there, the paint job right here will just chip because yeah, it's not the color of the metal is not really on blue. It's just like that. It will worn out when you will do some battles. Okay, so they still have this one for locking your Beyblade in place. Yeah, and it's very nice and very tight. Okay, so these are also the extra parts. When you will not use this part right here, you can use this one to put in here. So yeah, it's very nice to have that. So they have the same, as you can see, they're very the same. Okay, so in order to see the performance of this Beyblade, or new unboxed Beyblade right here, which is your Big Bang Pegasus FD, we will have this part on the stadium. Okay, but as you can see, the alignment is a little bit different. The wings right here is on, oops, focus. The wings is on this part, which is aligned on this part, but right here our FD is a little bit at the outer part. So let me check if I can do it like this or do it like this one. So yeah, a little bit. Okay, we'll check it first. Okay, so yeah, I've checked it, but yeah, still it will place on this part right here, and then this one will just place on this part. So maybe that's the difference from these two. But yeah, let's see how it will perform. They have all the same, but just the different colors. So let's have first a spin test using its own winder right here. Yeah, let's do it. So let's go. Oops, 3, 2, 1, go. And I think it's decent. Still the like pattern type kind of movement, flower pattern. Yeah. Okay, so now let's have a battle with some other Beyblades, and yeah, let's have first a battle with the same Beyblade right here, and I will just use its, maybe yeah, let's do the same thing using this one right here. So let's have first the Big Bang Pegasus FD with the blue one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Who will go first to become aggressive? Oops. Oh, the steel one. Now they have the same technique, being aggressive, because the bottom has been retracted. And you can see some blue parts on the stadium already because the paint is chipping. Okay, the blue one wins for that. And yeah, there are some blue paints already. Let me see. Yeah, you can see that. That's the paints that have been chipped already. So you can see there, right there. Then another right here. That is the contact points. Yeah, same here. Okay, let's have another fight with your Big Bang Pegasus, but with a different Beyblade we have here. And this is your Wing Pegasus 90WF. Yeah, this is the other one that I have unboxed also together with your Big Bang Pegasus, the metal color. Now we have the blue color right here. Now let's go. Let's have first this one, and I will use the string winder. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see how it will perform fighting another kind of Beyblade right here. Whoa, aggressive, man. But the Wing Pegasus is much lower, so it will have some upper attack. But we can see our Big Bang Pegasus right here is being very aggressive, and I think it will, yeah, it wins. Yes, man. It wins. So let's have another one to check how it will go. And yeah, there's so many blue already because yeah, the paint was chipping. But yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, with the other fight, that's the first round. Let's see if it's the first round. Let's have first the Big Bang Pegasus, and then next is the Wing Pegasus. So let's have first the Big Bang. Let's go, because it wins last round. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's whoa, that's a big hit, man. That's a big hit. Let's see what will it do. Oh, the Wing Pegasus now is being on the center. It wants, oh, okay, now the Big Bang Pegasus is being aggressive already. The bottom has been retracted, but power is less. Who will win? Oh yeah, Wing Pegasus win for that one. Then let's have the last one. Last. Ooh, it's exciting, man. So let's have the last one. Let's have first the Big Bang, or no, we have first the Wing Pegasus here, and I will use the winder because I can feel some strong kind of force here for the Wing Pegasus if using the winder. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Oh! What a game! Out of the arena. So yeah, we can say that the Big Bang Pegasus FD here wins for that. Wow, that's nice, man. This Pegasus or this Big Bang Pegasus a little bit much stronger than this one. I can see it. I can really see it. It's better, much better than the other one. So yeah, this is our Big Bang Pegasus FD in this kind of color, the blue one with the red here. It's like an inverted kind of color because we can see here on the another Big Bang Pegasus right here, it's blue on the center, then violet at the side or purple. Then here is we have here some orange and then blue at the outside and blue at its metal side right here, and this also blue metal here. It's just a metal kind of color, yeah, usual. So yeah, that's how it is. It's just fake, but I think it has a great performance. So yeah, that's our Big Bang Pegasus right here, and we will just play all of these three right here. Let's have a rumble. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos and vlogs. That's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gogover Show starting off with Pegasus wins on that rumble. Bye.